Our family's been on a mission to reduce toxins in our household. And one of the first things that we went ahead and subbed out was our laundry soap. So we were using one of the popular brands in the pods form. And so I started doing some reading and I came across this Suds brand. What I love about it, it is super simple ingredient list. It's great for sensitive skin. It only has 5 ingredients. So as you can see here, it's just kind of basic ingredients that most people actually have just in their pantry. This particular one is the peppermint scent, which I know sounds kind of odd for a laundry soap, but it actually smells really good. It just leaves a little bit of a scent behind. It's nothing overpowering. They do make fragrance free as well as a couple other scents. Every single one that I've tried has worked similarly and really well. So all you need is just 1 tablespoon per load of laundry. It does come with a little tablespoon, and then each bag, which I think I actually bought this in a 2-pack, it does 120 loads. Now for me, I do pretty big loads of laundry, so I typically will do 2 scoops per laundry load, and all you do is you just actually toss it right in. It actually tells you to just put it right into the drum of your washing machine. And that is all you do. You can run it on hot, you can run it on cold. I have done it on pretty much every single cycle that my washing machine has, and the clothes have come out perfectly clean, smelling fresh, and you can feel good that, especially if you have sensitive skin, that there's no harmful chemicals, toxins, or artificial fragrances. I would definitely recommend Suds laundry powder.